Good day everyone. Let's start our discussion by recalling the formula for the volume of a cube. So for the volume of a cube, we have S cubed. Now we have a question here. What is the relationship between the volume of a cube to the volume of a square pyramid, given that the height and the measurement of the base of the pyramid are equal to the edges of the cube? Now let's watch a video on the relationship between a cube and a square pyramid. The link of this video is also in the description part. So in the video, we conclude that the volume of the cube is thrice the volume of the square pyramid, and the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 of the volume of a cube. Therefore, we can say that the formula for the pyramid with the same measurement of the side and the height is S cubed divided by 3. Next question is, what is the relationship between the volume of a prism to the volume of a rectangular pyramid, given that the height of the prism is equal to the height of the pyramid and the area of the base of the prism is the same as the area of the base of the pyramid? Let's watch another video on the relationship between a prism and a pyramid.
Hello, welcome to Moving Math, where we upload a new math video every day. In this demonstration, I'd like to look at the volume of a pyramid and the volume of a prism. The volume of a pyramid is exactly 1/3 of the volume of a prism, with a similar shaped base and the same dimensions. For example, if you have a pyramid with a rectangular base, its volume will be 1/3 of the volume of a rectangular prism, with equal length, width, and height. The volume of a pyramid with a triangular base will be 1/3 the volume of a triangular prism, with an equal base and height. Let's see.
The link of this video is also in the description part. So in the video, we can also conclude that the volume of the prism is thrice the volume of the pyramid, and the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 of the volume of a prism. Therefore, we can say that the formula for the pyramid or with a rectangular base, which is length times width times height divided by 3. And if the base of the pyramid is a square with different measurement of the height, and its sides is S squared times h divided by 3. So if the pyramid is a rectangular pyramid, we can use length times width times height divided by 3. If the pyramid is a square pyramid, we can multiply s squared times height divided by 3. Now let's apply the formula for the volume of a pyramid in our examples. First, we have find the volume of the figure. This figure is a square pyramid. Using the formula for the square pyramid, we have V is equal to S squared times height divided by 3. So for the volume, we multiply the area of the base times the height. And since it's a pyramid, we divide it 3. Okay, so for the side of the square is 2 centimeters, then you square it times the height of the square pyramid, which is 3 centimeters here, then divide to 3. So simplify, so we have 2 times 2 is 4, then 4 times 3, that is 12, divided by 3, we have 4 cubic centimeters. So for the volume of this pyramid, we have 4 cubic centimeters. Next, we have here the volume of this figure. This is a rectangular pyramid, so we use the formula length times width times height divided by 3. So we just substitute the value of the length, which is 8 inches, then the width is 7 inches, and the height is 6 inches. So this is the height of the pyramid. Then we divide to 3. So we multiply this first. 8 times 7 times 6, we have 336 cubic inches. Then you divide it 3, therefore the volume of this rectangular pyramid is 112 cubic inches. Next, this is still a rectangular pyramid, so using the formula length times width times height divided by 3, for the length is 8 centimeters, for the width is 7 centimeters, and the height of the pyramid is 12 centimeters. So you multiply the 3 numbers here for the length, width, and height. Then after that, we divide to 3. Therefore, the volume of this rectangular pyramid is 224 cubic centimeters. Next, we have a word problem. So the height of the rectangular pyramid is 10 centimeters. The length of its rectangular base is 20 centimeters and the width is 6 centimeters. What is its volume? So in the problem, this is a rectangular pyramid. We use the formula length times width times height divided by 3 for a rectangular pyramid. We substitute the given. For the length, it's 20 centimeters, for the width is 6 centimeters, and the height is 10 centimeters. Then we multiply this 3, length, width, and height. We have 1,200, then we divide into 3, we have 400 cubic centimeters. Next, we have the height of the square pyramid is 15 centimeters. The area of its square base is 20 square centimeters. What is its volume? So this pyramid is a square pyramid. We use the formula S squared times H divided by 3. Now for the side, okay, in here, the given is already the area of the square base is 20 cubic centimeters. So the given is not the side, but instead the area of the base. So instead of substituting the value of S, we write the S squared as 20 square centimeters rather. Then we multiply it to the height, which is 15 centimeters. So again, this 20 centimeters is not the measurement of the side, but the area of the square base. So we don't need to double it. So we have 20 times 15, we have 300 cubic centimeters. So square centimeters times centimeters, we have cubic centimeters divided into 3. The volume of the square pyramid is 100 cubic centimeters. Okay, so that's about the formula for the volume of pyramid. I hope that you learned something from this video.